MJ, malapit ka sa akin, Jay.
Watch your steps, guys.
Jay.
This is the gallery.
Jay, malapit ka sa akin, Jay.
This is the...
Ooh, beautiful.
Careful. Hold the railing. Watch your steps.
Susugat ka?
Oo, kasi nagsugat siya habang dapat. Oo, delikado. This is wet.
Oo. Tingnan mo yung ano, ganyan na, sunod na lang. Oo.
Hold in the railing, please. Ito natin yung ano, yung gusto mo. Bitas, yung gusto.
Oo.
Gusto ba yung boy? The boy.
MJ, ay sige, Samuel.
You must be with us.
Wag kang dano, ha. Itayo mo yung ano, Jay.
He's the youngest.
Hindi, ganun mo. Huwag yan, ganyan.
Yung po yung po nadulas, o yung maliit?
Yan.
I see.
Yung maliit.
Okay na, sige, sige. You'll see the stone
MJ, yan mo, ganun mo.
formation. Watch your steps.
May mga naka-ano na po.
Those are driftwoods, logs. Tens of thousands of years. There are washed into the cave.
Oo, na ano na rin.
Yeah.
Ayan, ito rin ano.
Those formation hanging from the ceiling are
Jay, ano mo yung flashlight?
stalactites. You see that? This
Ano mo yung flashlight? Hindi, yan, ganyan din. Yan.
This is the stalactite.
Talang yan.
Jay. Yan o. Ay, hindi ko makita. Hindi makita.
Ay, hindi ako tingnan mo yung sa flashlight.
Oo. Sige, mauna ka. Mauna ka.
Ano yun?
Mauna ka. Ay. Wow. Ha?
Mukha siyang glitters, parang may glitter siya.
That's right. It is a flow stone.
Oh.
It is a stalagmite.
Ano yun?
Those formation upright from the floor are
Narinig
stalagmites,
kayo sa taas.
and those hanging from the ceiling are stalactites.